The AI Model Deployment module streamlines the deployment of machine learning models, enhancing the AI lifecycle. It eases deployment configurations, prediction serving, and monitoring for efficiency. Integrated in the God framework, it empowers scalable AI capabilities in real-world applications. Purpose: standardizes machine learning model deployment with key objectives. 1. Streamlined deployment. Minimal configuration for easier model deployment. 2. Reliable predictions. Easy-to-use endpoints for real-time predictions. 3. Operational monitoring. Tools for performance evaluation. 4. Configurable workflow. Customizes deployment based on project needs. Key features the module offers. 1. Model loading. Load pre-trained models with error handling. 2. Deployment management. Real-time and batch task deployment. Customization via configuration files. Role in the God framework. It plays a crucial role by providing 1. Scalable model serving. Standardizes deployment across projects. 2. Seamless integration. Works with other God modules. 1. Cloud-native support. Integrate with AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure. 2. Auto-scaling. Scale models based on workload. 3. Advanced monitoring. Metrics for actionable insights. Encryption and access controls. 7. Distributed inference. Support clustered inference for large workloads. Conclusion: the AI Model Deployment module offers a comprehensive solution for deploying and monitoring machine learning models. It facilitates the transition from development to production, ensuring seamless AI integration. Planned enhancements show its commitment to industry evolution. Unlock your machine learning potential with AI Model Deployment. Deploy models confidently today.